Introducing the Conference Layout Pack for Divi, available for free right now. This pack includes 8 pre-made page layouts strategically designed for any conference website, original royalty-free photos and graphics, plus customizable source files, plus a large collection of pre-designed website elements that are customizable and reusable anywhere. You can find this layout in the Divi Builder when selecting the Use a Pre-Made Layout option. New layouts appear at the bottom. In the description, you can find a link to our step-by-step video on how to use our layout packs. Also there, you can view the blog posts for more information on this layout pack, including a link to download the full resolution image assets. If you didn't know, Divi currently has over 250 layout packs available for free and inside of Divi right now. Let us know in the comments section below what layout packs you want to see next. And with that said, we'll see you next week for another free layout pack.